So now let's talk about lighting. Lighting is a very important element in photography. So lighting really enables you to take very good photos. So without further ado, let's get to lightings. Here are some of the example of lighting. So we have front light, as you can see in this picture. The light is really popping up on my face right here. And that's what we call front light. So we're going to be um, taking some photo with front light. And then there is side light. Side light is literally the light that's coming from the side. If you have an object right here, let's say a person in the middle, and then you had the lights that was going from left or from right to the object, that's side light. So you have different side light pictures. So, and then we're going to be talking about here, as we're seeing right here, the backlight. Backlight is the light coming at your object, and then that's how we call it backlight. And the reason why you need some backlight is because it really enables you to play with the shadow in the other side, and then you can still see the object or the subject in the other side. So the form really comes alive. And all those photos I took it with my phone. And I'm going to show you one of the things that we're going to do right now so that you can practice the lighting right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your phone and then you're going to go and take pictures, 2 pictures of different lighting techniques, which could be front light, side lights, or backlight. You can take 2 pictures of each, and then after taking those 2 pictures, you can upload it to the project page. So the reason why we're uploading it to the project page is so I can track your progress in terms of pictures. And so without further ado, I'll let you take those pictures and I'll see you in the next slide so we can learn about how to create connection.